bitch, leave a pussy nigga history. Put a nigga down, even look or move on. I'm up that bitch, I'm really gon' blow. Spinning the bins, I'm back in on black. Tryna give a pussy nigga a tag. You got your shit sick, nigga, come get it back. Stop all the cab, you not really about that shit. 556, leaving the dead in the ditch. If you keep playing, I'ma hit him with that bitch. Let that boy mama crying and shit. Don't reach strong, I'ma fry your shit. You wanna lesson, but here's the clip. Run up, I clearly bust you in your shit. Got around the station, I do not miss. I make you face down like your bitch has done trip. I'm a sinner, I can admit. Kill a nigga and go to sleep like I ain't do shit. Homicide's the only thing that run through my mind, that's it. Best believe I hit you with that whole damn clip. Could've swore I heard a little nigga say they bought that shit. Need to stop that shit before I hit a little nigga in the top and shit. Niggas get run to the cops and shit. How the fuck you gon' duck a Glock or the switch?